tutorial on how to navigate PowerSchool. And so the first thing I will be showing you is how to access PowerSchool from the AISJ website. All you have to do is make sure you're on your dashboard, click the high school portal, and when you get to the high school portal, scroll down and you should see this big blue PowerSchool button. When you click on it, it should lead you to the sign-in page. Here's the PowerSchool link. If you just want to write it down, just take note of it. And a tip is to bookmark it onto your taskbar or bookmark bar. And so I'm just going to bookmark it as PowerSchool, and there it is in case I ever want to access it. So this is PowerSchool. The top section is the schedule. As we can see, it is an E-Day rotation. And here's the date and whose account it is, and also the sign out option. The main screen of PowerSchool shows you your classes in the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H rotation or formation. Here's a brief attendance history in this section here. The sidebar is where you can navigate the different options that PowerSchool offers. And the first section I will show you is how to access your after-school activities if you want to see, what you're enrolled in. As you can see here, I'm enrolled in soccer. That's it. But there may be other options of clubs or after-school activities that you may be in. The next option is how to access your grades, and you're just going to click this Grades and Attendance High School JHB button, and it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, here are my grades, but it's the same formation as the main screen. It just shows your grades instead of the absences and tardies and all that stuff. This only includes your semester grades or your grades so far in the semester. If you want to see your attendance records further, you can see it like this by clicking attendance history on this sidebar. And here it shows you a more in-depth version of your attendance. There may be other things if you are absent or tardy or other things like that. And you can scroll on stuff. If you want to see your full schedule, you go to My Schedule right here on the sidebar on the left, and this is what it looks like. The week view, as you can see, we have two options here. The week view is it in the rotation form every day, and the rotation changes every day, so that means your schedule kind of changes every day. But if you just want to see the simple schedule, you click Matrix View right over here, and that's what it looks like, and that's just the simplified version. Lastly, at the end of each semester, you will receive a report card. And to access that, you go to this Documents section on the sidebar, and if you scroll a little bit, you will be able to see this and past ones if you are a returning student. Yes, so that is it. Thank you for joining.